Hello, it's Rob here and welcome to another basically present that's been sent to me by a friend who wishes to remain anonymous. This time it's the frog from Tamiya on the I think is it the ORV chassis or off-road vehicle chassis. Yeah, I'm a bit flabbergasted. I'm on my own because Mark's had to go back to work now, unfortunately. Schools are back open, what a bummer, but hey, and this kit I've been looking at for quite a long time and it's just come in and I just want to get building it, so here we go. Let's get all these metal bits of loveliness out and see what we get for your money. Okay, so I was going to get it all out, but when I took the lid off, I found all of these bits as per normal, like so, including the nice rubber tyres. But then there's this rather large box with everything else in, so I quickly undid it just to have a look. Not that you'll probably be able to see much, but lots of stuff in a box. I think very similar to the original one. So step 2, get all this stuff out the box and out the bags, and let's have a look. This has got all the metal bits in, so this should be good fun. Okay folks, box unpacked, this is what we get. This is parts tree A, which is the chassis halves. I think the first incarnation of this chassis was on the Subaru Brat, but I stand to be corrected. Then we've got the polycarbonate body and the rear wing. Unfortunately, looking at this, I'm going to have to cut all the holes out myself. I think it should be alright. Hopefully there's some masks. I'm not sure if you have to cut the windows out or not. No idea till we get to it, but we'll see how we go on. At least it's not too big. And we've got the decal sheet. No guts, no glory. So that's that. Then we've got these two things that I've not seen before, which are metal bars and the rear diff stroke gearbox housing, or part of it. Some more plastic bits that I think are for fixing the two halves of the chassis together. We've got the 3-part beadlock wheels, which are cool, and a servo saver and a driver figure. Woohoo! We've got a bumper, TBL 04, lots of lovely bearings, metal bits, the servo, and the squidgy stroke quite grippy rear tyres, and the virtually slick, but if I'm honest, on my Sand Scorcher, same tyres, it's not bad with the grip on that. We've got suspension bits here, or shock bits, only a stock silver can, and there are the bearings. That one over there, that's one of the shocks. So coming on to that, look at this. This is the newly upgraded, uprated shock body in turned aluminium with aluminium top and bottom caps. Fantastic. And then lots of metal bits. We've got the gearbox differential side plates. I think that's a skid plate. And then suspension bits here for the front. And then this here, which I think looking at it is going to be carbon fibre. but until I start to build it I won't know, but if it is, then I know I'm going to have to stick some glue on the edge here to seal it. That's that. And then we come into here with even more metal bits. Look at all of those metal bits. I'm drooling. I better try and stop before I get it all over the camera. Look at all of that. Coming back to some plastic bits, we've got 3 different spur gears so that you can change your gear ratios. We'll sort that out in the build. Tools and grease and stuff, and the boots for the rear drive shafts. We've got metal parts bag A, B, C and D. We've done that one. Here's another bag full of metally bits and springs, etc, etc. And I think that's about it. We've got the usual fantastic Tamiya manual, step-by-step guide, and obviously it should tell us everything we need to know to get the things done. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I look forward to seeing you during the build. Thanks for watching. Bye.